ebe nwanne m nọ, aga m eje, ebe nwanne m nọ, aga m eje, jee fụ ya anya. Olumbise na-ekele unu. I'll tell you why I'm really excited about this song. There are a set of words that I usually like to pull out as a group. Onye, ebe, and ihe. Whenever one of them appears in a song, I'll bring in the other two just to give extra examples. The song, as I just sang it, is the only way that I've ever heard it sung. Ebe is already in the song. So what did I do? I used ihe and onye to make up two new sections for the song. Here they are. So all together, this is how I'm singing it. Ebe nwanne m nọ, aga m eje, ebe nwanne m nọ, aga m eje, jee fụ ya anya. Ihe nwanne m chọrọ, aga m enye, ihe nwanne m chọrọ, aga m enye, were nye ya. Onye nwanne m bụ, ọ masịrị m, onye nwanne m bụ, ọ masịrị m, ọ bụ onye ọma. Let's find out what everything means. We'll start by quickly reviewing ebe, onye, and ihe, since we've just talked about them. You know by now that ebe, ihe, and onye mean the place, the thing, and the person. In another video, we talked about how in Igbo, there are no articles like the and a. When you translate the beginning of the sentences in the song, we include the to make the sentence grammatically complete. In the Igbo version, the article is already implied. Alright, kanyi na-eje. Let's keep going. After ebe, ihe, and onye, the thing that follows is nwanne m or nwanne m. Nwanne m means my sibling. My sibling can be my brother or my sister. Nwanne comes from the combination of nwa, which means child, and nne, which means mother. So, mother's child is my sibling or my brother or my sister. What if you wanted to talk about more than one sibling? Then you would say umunnem. Umunnem means my siblings, or my brothers, my sisters, my brothers and sisters, or my brethren. And of course, umunne comes from the combination of omo, which means children, and nne, which we already know means mother. So mother's children are my siblings. For the song, we'll say that nwanne is just my brother, using brother as a general term just to keep things simple, even though we know that nwanne can mean brother or sister. Okay, moving on. Ebe nwanne m nọ, ihe nwanne m chọrọ, onye nwanne m bụ. Let's see what nọ, chọrọ, and bụ are. Nọ comes from the verb ino, which means to be. In this specific case, it means to be in a place. Chọrọ comes from icho, which means to want. Bo comes from ibo, which means to be, and here it specifically means to be someone. All these verbs have been changed to the ra verb form. You can watch the video series on Igbo verb basics. The second video in the series talks about the ra verb form. There are some verbs that don't need the suffix, and ino and ibo are two of those. Icho uses the suffix. Ino, to be in a place. No is in a place. Icho, to want. Choro, wants. Ibo, to be someone. Bo, is someone. So far we have ebe nwanne m nọ, the place my brother is. Ihe nwanne m chọrọ, the thing my brother wants. And onye nwanne m bụ, the person my brother is. Ebe nwanne m nọ, aga m eje, ihe nwanne m chọrọ, aga m enye, Onye nwanne m bụ ọ masịrị m, ọ masịrị m. We'll break down aga m eje, aga m enye, and ọ masịrị m. Aga m eje and aga m enye are in the ga verb form. Watch the fourth video in the Igbo verbs playlist to learn about the ga verb form. Geje means will go and genye means will give. Aga m eje and aga m enye are in the first person, so they mean I will go and I will give. Ọ masịrị m means it pleases me. It comes from the verb ịmasị mmadụ, to please someone. In Igbo, we also use this phrase to say that we like something. Something that pleases you is something that you like. So let's see some more examples of talking about liking something. Ịmasị mmadụ, to please someone. As I mentioned, in Igbo we can use this phrase to talk about liking something. Ọ masịrị m, it pleases me, meaning I like it. Ọ masịrị gị, it pleases you, you like it. Ọ masịrị ya, it pleases him, he likes it. It pleases her, she likes it. It pleases it likes it. Ọ masịrị anyị, it pleases us, we like it. Ọ masịrị unu, it pleases you all like it. Ọ masịrị ha, it pleases them, they like it. With just a change in tone, these same statements can be used to ask questions. So we can say, Ọ masịrị mụ? Do I like it? Ọ masịrị gị? Ọ masịrị ya? Ọ masịrị anyị? Ọ masịrị unu? Ọ masịrị ha? One person may ask, Ọ masịrị gị? Do you like it? And you can respond, Ehe, ọ masịrị mụ. Yes, I like it. Alright, let's get back to the song. Here's what we have so far. Ebe nwanne m nọ, aga m eje. The place my brother is, I will go. Ihe nwanne m chọrọ, aga m enye. The thing my brother wants, I will give. Onye nwanne m bụ, ọ masịrị m. The person my brother is, it pleases me or I like it. Let's see what comes next. Now for the endings for each section of the song. Jee fụ ya anya, were nye ya, ọ bụ onye ọma. Jee fụ ya anya and were nye ya have back-to-back verbs that are in the command form. Jee fụ ya anya means go and see him or go to see him. Jee comes from ije, to go, and fụ anya comes from ịfụ anya, to see. Were nye ya means take and give him or take to give him. Were comes from iwere, to take, and nye comes from inye, to give. To put two commands together, you don't have an equivalent of and or to, like in the English version. The and or the to are conjunctions that connect two things. In the Igbo version, listing the verbs back to back is enough to imply that connection. No conjunction is used. And then finally we have Obu Ijeoma, which means he is a good person. So now that we've gone through the whole song, we're going to sing it again. This time, see if you can follow along and remember the meaning of each line. Ebe nwanne m nọ, aga m eje, aga m eje, ebe nwanne m nọ, aga m eje, jee fụ ya anya. Ihe nwanne m chọrọ, aga m enye, aga m enye, ihe nwanne m chọrọ, aga m enye, were nye ya. Onye nwanne m bụ, ọ masịrị m, ọ masịrị m, onye nwanne m bụ, ọ masịrị m, ọ bụ onye ọma. And as I mentioned, the song is actually just the first two lines, so if you hear it anywhere else, that's what you hear. The last four lines I've made up and added to the song, so now you can teach it to other people, and it gives you more words to use as you practice your Igbo. Have fun. As always, we'll end with Gini no n'aha, what's in a name. Today we have Ijeoma. As a noun, ije means journey. Remember we also talked about ije, the verb. That means to go. Obviously, these two words are related, but their pronunciations are different. Ije, to go. Ije, journey. Oma is an adjective that we've seen before and it means good. So Ijeoma means good journey. Ijeoma is also a phrase that we can use to wish someone a safe trip simply by saying Ijeoma, safe journey, safe trip. You may also wish someone a safe journey by saying jee nke ọma or gaa nke ọma, which both mean go well. Ngwanu, olumbise na-asị unu jeenụ nke ọma. Mgbe ọzọ.